How do I remove transaction from my bank statement? It's generally not possible to remove transaction from the bank statement because they are an official record of your financial activity. However, there are some legal and appropriate ways to handle the concern related to the transactions on your statement. So first one, if your transaction has an error, you can contact your bank immediately. Banks can investigate and correct mistakes which will reflect in future statement. Or if the transaction is fraudulent, if it is a fraud, then you can report it as a fraud to your bank to block the card or account and investigate. They may reverse the charge if proven fraudulent. Now, if you want to hide it from the view for your personal reason, you cannot remove the transactions from the official statement, but you can download the statement and edit a copy for personal use. Or you can use any budgeting apps or tool to include specific transactions for your analysis. And if you're concerned about privacy, you can keep all your sensitive financial records private by securing them with any password or encryptions. So that's the way to hide your transaction or to remove transaction from your bank statement. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.